The Grinch is one of the most popular Christmas movies, loved by children and adults across the globe. Whilst his misery surrounding all things Christmas eventually gives way to joy, he spends much of the film grumbling about festive traditions and the happiness of everyone else. And now you can let your kids and other guests be greeted by the Grinch himself when they come to your door this Christmas thanks to Ring Doorbell. The team has created a list of Grinch-themed greetings that are sure to delight your guests, or make them wonder if they called round on the wrong day. The Grinch quick replies are available on Ring video doorbells just in time for the festive season, and they're voiced by James Austin Johnson, known for his appearances on Saturday Night Live. Whether you're enjoying some hard-earned peace and quiet or dressing your dog like a reindeer, the Grinch is ready to greet your guests with a range of different responses. When it's time for some holiday cheer, you can program the doorbell to say, "Ooh ooh ooh, look who it is. Are you stopping by for a bit festive cheer? Yeah, whatever." Yuck. Unfortunately, there is plenty of cheer to go around, but now you can have my portion. They'll be there in a bit. Enjoy. If guests call round when you're busy cooking dinner, they can be met with, "Okay, hello? Hi." Coughing, seems like there's a bit of a snafu with the roast beast in there. Woo, that is stinging my eyes. Sniffs, too much WHO sauce. Sorry, please leave a message. And when you're unable to answer the door to your family and friends, they'll hear in the Grinch's voice, "Hello, it's the Grinch, what do you want?" No. Don't answer that. Instead, please leave a message after the weird sound I'm about to make. Make sound, ooey-ah-woong. There are plenty of other responses available too, and it's quick and easy for users to add quick replies to their Ring video doorbell from nearly anywhere with just a few taps in the Ring app. Then, when a visitor stops by and presses the doorbell, they will hear the selected response and can leave a message. Ring users can watch video of visitors' reactions live, or if they are a Ring Protect subscriber, can play back the video later. It comes as the Wondery's new original hit podcast "'Tis the Grinch Holiday Podcast" has launched, which also stars James as the Grinch. It's the second series to be announced under a collaboration between podcast studio Wondery and Drive Seuss Enterprises. The first series, The Cat in the Hat Cast, is a fantastical variety show-style podcast series hosted by everyone's favorite red and white hat-wearing cat. Both "'Tis the Grinch Holiday Podcast" and The Cat in the Hat Cast are part of Wondery Kids and Family's roster of family programming. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.